asteroids. They've fascinated us for ages, but also sparked fear about potential global catastrophes. So, let's dive straight into the question. Are we really at risk of an asteroid colliding with Earth and wiping out humanity? On April 13, 2029, a massive asteroid named Apophis, over 1,000 feet in diameter, will pass dangerously close to Earth, just 30,000 kilometers away. To put that in perspective, some of our satellites orbit farther than that. But don't panic yet. Despite its terrifying nickname, the City Killer, the chances of Apophis hitting Earth in 2029 are 0%, as confirmed by NASA. Now, you may have come across alarming headlines claiming otherwise. Posts on social media and even some news outlets often exaggerate these stories. For instance, a viral claim about a 72% chance of an asteroid impact in 2038 isn't based on reality. It's from a hypothetical scenario created by NASA to test how prepared we are for such events. What are asteroids and why do they matter? Asteroids are essentially giant chunks of rock and metal floating through space. Most of them are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, but some venture closer to Earth. When they do, they're classified as Near Earth Objects, NEOs. NEOs can be asteroids, comets, or meteoroids. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, are particularly dangerous because they travel faster than asteroids and give us less warning time before a potential collision. But here's the good news. Humanity isn't just sitting idly by. Space agencies worldwide, like NASA and ESA, have sophisticated systems in place to track these objects and even prevent possible impacts. How do we stop a collision? 3 main strategies are being explored. Kinetic impact. A spacecraft slams into the asteroid, altering its orbit. This method has already been tested successfully with NASA's DART mission in 2022. Slow push and pull. This involves using solar energy to vaporize part of the asteroid, causing it to gently shift its trajectory. Nuclear methods. As a last resort, nuclear devices could be used to destroy or deflect an asteroid, though this method carries significant risks. Earth's defenses are also getting better every year. For example, in 2028, NASA plans to launch the Near Earth Object Surveyor, a telescope that will improve our ability to detect potential threats earlier. Let's dive deeper into how we're tackling the challenges posed by space rocks hurtling near Earth. If you thought Apophis was the only asteroid on our radar, think again. There's an entire risk list of potential threats that space agencies track meticulously. For example, 2023 VD3, discovered just last year, is small, about 11 to 24 meters wide, but has a higher than usual 0.25% chance of colliding with Earth on November 8, 2034. 1979 XB is much larger, between 400 to 900 meters wide, but with a minuscule chance of impact at 0.0002%. Its potential date, December 12, 2056. The good news? Even if some of these asteroids pose a threat, humanity has systems to predict, monitor, and even prevent impacts. These advancements come from major global efforts. Asteroid detection systems. Let's talk about some incredible projects. Linear. Operational since 1996, this U.S. initiative detects 65% of all known asteroids using powerful telescopes. Catalina Sky Survey. Famous for its precision, it predicted the exact time and place a 4-meter asteroid would fall in Sudan in 2008. Pan-STARRS. Located in Hawaii, it uses the world's largest digital cameras to monitor space. Atlas. Also in Hawaii, it scans the sky nightly to provide last-minute warnings of incoming asteroids. But no system is perfect. Take the Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013. It was only 20 meters wide but caused injuries and damage in Russia. It wasn't detected in time, highlighting the importance of international coordination and disaster management plans. What if a large asteroid heads straight for Earth? Space agencies have 3 main defense strategies. Kinetic impact. This involves crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid to change its orbit. NASA's DART mission proved this works in 2022. Slow push and pull, using solar energy to alter an asteroid's path gradually. Nuclear methods, a last resort, as it risks breaking the asteroid into uncontrollable fragments. NASA's mock tests suggest we're ready to handle most asteroid threats. In fact, 81% of experts involved in these simulations believe our current systems are robust. However, scientists agree on one thing: we need more real-world tests. The future of planetary defense. In 2028, NASA will launch the Near Earth Object Surveyor, a space telescope designed to improve early detection. With such initiatives, Earth's defenses are only getting stronger. So, should you worry? Not at all. Current data shows that there's no asteroid with even a 0.01% chance of hitting Earth in the next 100 years. However, staying informed about these advancements is essential, not just to debunk myths, but also to appreciate the incredible efforts of scientists working to keep us safe. So, while it's natural to worry about catastrophic events, the reality is that the chances of a major asteroid impact in the next 100 years are nearly zero. And even if one were to come close, we have both the technology and the knowledge to act. The key takeaway? Be informed, not alarmed. Trust the science, and remember, the sky may hold surprises, but we're prepared for them.